Good afternoon. So we've all been working on our hoops and our barrels. It's now our turn to add the tunnel. Now in hoopers there are two different types of tunnel. There's a pipe tunnel, which is what we're going to be looking at today, and there's a chute, which is basically like a little bridge that the dog goes through. Okay, my hoopers tunnel hasn't actually arrived yet, so our tunnel we're going to be using today is actually an agility tunnel. The hoopers tunnel has a higher diameter, bigger diameter I should say, so it means your dogs haven't got to crouch down if you've got a big dog. It's also a lot shorter in length. This one is 3 meters. The hoopers tunnel I've got coming is only 1 meter long, okay? So it will be slightly different. So we're just going to look at this quite quickly today, just to get a rough idea of how the tunnel is going to work for our dogs. Now we're going to use it shaping exactly the same as we did with the hoop, with the barrel. We're going to stand, we're going to look at the tunnel. Now initially, I've got this tunnel just wedged between my knees. Once we've got the tunnel stretched out, then it will have sandbags to hold it in place. Again, my sandbags are on order with the tunnel, so just bear with me. Okay, so we're just going to look at the tunnel. If the dog goes through it, yes, we're going to mark it. Yes. Yes. So for some reason, Reese decided this tunnel is only accessible in one direction. Clearly wanting to be able to go in both directions. I use the cue word tunnel for my dog. Again, you can use through, you can use in, but you're going to need a cue word, because when your dog's working away from you, if we want them to power ahead of us and go through the tunnel, if we give them the cue word that we're going to use, they'll be looking for it and heading in that direction. Okay? Tunnel. Yes. Tunnel. Yes. Tunnel. Yes. Good boy. Sit. So you can see with it concertinaed up, Reese got absolutely no problem going through it. Then we progress it, we just open the tunnel up a little bit. Now at this stage, I can still pretty much hold it in position. We will, like I say, it will be spread out and we will be having sandbags on it. Tunnel. Oopsie. Tunnel. Yes. Tunnel. Yes. Tunnel. Yes. Tunnel. Yes. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, so we're starting with it really close together. You'll be doing this one at a time, because obviously I've not got enough tunnels for everybody to have a go at the same time. So you'll be working on this one at a time. Whilst you're working on this, whilst one person's working on this with their dog, if you just carry on working on your hoop value, barrel value, so that your dogs aren't standing around. But remember, like everything, just a set number of treats at a time. I'm working on 4 here, you'll be working on 10 at a time. Okay? Tunnel. Yes. 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 So we're looking at the dog going through the tunnel just like it did through the hoop. Once the tunnel's at full length and we've got it sandbagged down, that's when we'll then start to add the distance in. So I'm not going to show you this properly today, purely because I don't want the tunnel rolling everywhere and scaring the dog, but just like we did with the barrel and the hoop, we'd stand against the tunnel to start with, getting the dog to go through it confidently, and then we would start to add in a step at a time until we can send the dog through it from a distance. Okay, so this is a pipe tunnel. Like I say, good boy. The actual hooper's pipe tunnel, when it arrives, will be bigger diameter, so it makes it easier for the dogs to go through, kinder on their joints. Good boy, sit. Thank you, good boy. Okay, so let's rotate, get practicing. Let's see if we can get the dogs to come through the tunnel.